In this lesson, I'm going to cover disabling or turning off comments on your WordPress website. There are two pretty simple ways to do this. The first way that I'm going to show you is the easiest way, and it is simply by downloading a plugin and setting it up. To do this, we're going to log into our backend, and then we're going to go down to Plugins and Add New. Now I'm going to search for Disable and then Comments. There'll be many plugins to do this, and you can pick whichever one suits you best. I like the look of this one, so I'm going to click Install Now to install the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, I'm going to click on Activate. Now that the plugin is activated, it'll take you to the plugins page where you can see all of your plugins. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on Settings for the plugin that we just installed. Now you can click on whatever you want to disable your comments on. So for example, you might only want to disable your comments on posts and pages but not media. Or you might want to only disable it on media and pages but not posts. Now we're going to click on Save Changes, and now all the comments on your pages and posts will be disabled and no one will be able to add or edit any comments. The second way of doing this is scrolling down, clicking on Settings, and then going to Discussion. Now you can read through these settings and simply turn off the ones of submitting comments. So I'm going to turn off Allow people to submit comments on new posts, and then I'm also going to turn off I'm going to turn on Email whenever anyone posts a comment. That way if somehow someone manages to post a comment, it'll send me an email and let me know. And then I'm also going to turn on here, a comment must be manually approved. That way I have to approve a comment if someone tries to add one. Now we're going to scroll down and press Save Changes. If you don't want the plugin that we installed anymore, then you simply go to Plugins and then find the plugin that you installed and press Deactivate. Now it won't work anymore, but if you want to save some space on your website and it's deactivated, then you can simply press Delete. Now you click on OK. Now your plugin will be successfully deleted, and you can see that here.